Heavy-duty, stainless steel panel mount indicators from Dialight. For high-end aesthetics paired with a sturdy construction. These indicators are non-magnetic, corrosion-resistant, for indoor and outdoor use, and secured to prevent dirt, dust, and water penetration. The entire stainless steel series is RoHS Compliant, IK10, IP66, IP67, and NEMA 4X certified. Areas of application for these indicators include main and remote power indication, status signaling, maintenance and warning indication, and general instrumentation. Specifications and color options for the 8mm 620 series. Specifications and color options for the 22mm tricolor 621 series. Specifications and color options for the 22mm 622 series. Specifications and color options for the 30mm 623 series. The stainless steel, heavy-duty, LED panel mount indicator series from Dialight is ideal for applications where ruggedness and aesthetics are a priority. You can learn more about our entire selection of LED panel mount indicator products by visiting dialightSignalsandComponents.com.